Hi, it's the weekend and I'm making a 7-layer dip. So this is a pretty common dip that you see around you take to different events, potlucks, that kind of thing. I'm having some family and so I thought I would make this dip. So we're going to begin with 1 cup of refried beans. You can use whatever brand you like. I'm actually also using taco seasoning. I'm going to mix that together so it will be a half a package to 1 cup of refried beans. And I'm just going to mix that in my bowl and, make sure it's as fine as I can make it. It's not granular. So I'm just going to continue to, it's a little thick, but I'm going to mix that together. And that's going to be my first layer. Okay, so I have a small square Pyrex dish and I'm using that. The next layer is going to be a combination of cream cheese and sour cream. So it's 4 ounces of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And that's my second layer. So my next layer is a half a cup of chunky salsa. And you can use whatever brand you like. I'm going to go ahead and spread this as my third layer. My fourth layer is a combination of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese, and I've combined them, and that's going to again be my fourth layer. My fifth layer is a combination of red and yellow bell pepper. I've diced them. A few of my red onions got mixed in here. I also have a little cilantro. But I'm also doing my sixth layer as all red onions. So that's my sixth layer. And then my final layer is tomatoes. And they're diced tomatoes, and I'm going to spread those. And then you could call this an eighth layer, but it really isn't. I just put a little parsley garnish on top. And that is my 7-layer dip. We're going to refrigerate this for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you take your favorite chip and dip all the way in, you'll get all 7 layers and 7 layers of flavor. And it's perfect for a gathering of any sort.